Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This selling fan customer said its problem is very slow, so let's see.
Slow.
It's really very slow.
Very slow.
So let's try how to fix if it is very slow, and it will be very common problem for ceiling fan. So we have to remove this cover. There is a screw we have to remove, and we have removed the cover. So actually there was capacitor. This capacitor was 1.8 microfarad, and I put there 2 microfarad, so it will work fine.
Yeah, on.
So let's see how is it after I change the capacitor. Alhamdulillah dear viewers, it's working fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Now it's high speed. Alhamdulillah. So dear viewers, I'll fix all the screws, then video will be back. So after I fixed all the screws and cover, so let's check finally.
Oke kan, ada angin kan.
Tadi high ribbon yang first tadi kan slow.
Very slow ya. Sekarang sudah oke kan? Alhamdulillah.
Kalau macam ni lah ada ni lagi.
So we are testing finally. So alhamdulillah dear viewers, it's working fine. So actually it was problem only the capacitor, so you can do it by yourself. So alhamdulillah it's working fine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.